Welcome to Tikiliper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install or revoke an app from your Slack. So at first, just go ahead and open up your Slack application, or you can just go to your browser and open up slack.com. Then just log into your account. After that, you'll see this, My Workspaces. From here, just open up any of the workspaces. I'm going to select this one, Work 1. And after that, just wait for it to launch. You might have to click on Use Slack in your browser. Then just give it a few seconds to load up the workspace properly. And after it loads up the workspace properly, on the left hand side, you're going to see many options: the workspace icon, home, DMs, activity, files, later, and more. You have to go to and hover on more. After that, you'll find tools. Just click on this. And after that, under tools, you'll find workflows, apps, and channel templates. Now, to install an app, obviously you need to go inside apps. So just select app. And from here, you're gonna see all the apps that is installed for you, as well as the recommended ones. In today's video, we're not installing anything, we are installing. So we will go to the installed apps or the apps that we have in our workspace. So this one, just click on it, go to app. From here, click on the more options or the three dot icon and click on configuration. This will open up another browser tab. From here, you just need to go to inside configuration. Just go inside the configuration, then just scroll down and you'll see remove your authorization. You can either remove your authorization or remove the app. You can click on here, remove the app, to remove the app from your Slack. Just click on this. Click on remove app. And there you go, removing Google Calendar. Just give it some time. And after a while, your app will be successfully installed or removed from your Slack workspace. And basically that is how to install an app from Slack. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.